Hi guys, welcome again to Ice Life. So today is Sunday, the 17th of October. Kasi it's our daddy Roy's birthday tomorrow. Habang nasa work ang aming pinakamamahal na daddy.
Do you want to know?
Habang nasa work ang aming pinakamamahal na daddy. So, we will take this opportunity na mag-vlog-vlog tayo. Kasi dumating kahapon yung aking in-order na gift namin for him. I'll share it with you guys. So, hindi na natin siya i-review kasi bukas pa natin ibibigay yung gift niya on his birthday talaga. And kailangan ko nang i-upload yung video na ito para may i-premiere tayo today. Napabasa ko naman sa mga reviews ng sapatos na yon na napaka-comfortable daw. You are like, para daw, you're walking in a cloud. Cloud na. So, we'll see about that. And then, eto na nga, bago tayo mag-start, magluto-luto at maghiwa-hiwa ng ating mga ipiprepare for tomorrow. So, meron tayo ditong pangpansit para sa ating pansit para sa longer life. Meron tayong pangbiko dito. Ayan. Meron tayong pork belly para sa ating what do you call this? Roast belly natin. Then meron tayo ditong beef para sa ating beef caldereta. And then, mga chicken wings, kulang pa to, nasa ref pa yung iba. So, itutow ko na rin siya. Gagawin natin itong buffalo wings. Yung napakausong buffalo spicy buffalo wings ko, no. So, eto, yan lang, prepare natin for tomorrow, guys. It's a simple celebration lang naman, guys. So, kami-kami lang, mga closest friend, ang inimbitahan namin. So, yun lang. Ang wish ko for you is, sana in coming years, you will find peace, happiness, contentment in life, and ano pa, good health always, and more healthy body para, alam mo na yun, magampanan natin ang ating mga pang-araw-araw na mga gawain, charot. So, yun, happy birthday. Ano pa bang maidagdag ko dito para lang humaba ang ating video kasi napaka-iksi lang nung aking unboxing eh. So before I end this video, mega love shout out to my Ayers clan. Yung mga, eto talaga masasabi ko guys is napaka forever supportive ng mga to. Hindi to nawala. So renew lang to ng renew ever since. So eto yung mga legit ko talaga ng mga friends. So mega love shout out to all of you, to my rookie members, Ate Rachel Kasingal, Sis Adiayu, Sis Louie Fernandez, Buhay Italia Jan and Family, Engineer Marty, Sis Cecilia B. Ireland, Muffy Rose, and si Poging Dasol Vlog. Mega love shout out to all of you. And of course, to my all-star members na napaka-bongga, ka-supportive na forever friend ni Ice Life. Si Sweet C and Karil Siluterio, mega love shout out to all of you. And of course, sa ating Team Kulkog at saka Team Premier, hello everyone. And please keep safe always and keep on smiling. Bye-bye.